Welcome to S&C Custom Designs, where we have designed a pull-out table which attaches to this hardware. So I found this hardware lying around, and it didn't have a table, so I'm like, okay, you know what, we can make one. And so we did. We made one. Give you an idea what it looks like. Very, very nice. So I can take my keyboard, just drop it down like this. I didn't bother putting a lip on here to catch the keyboard from falling off because I knew that it had some clips at the top of the split keyboard. And of course there's room for your mouse as well. So what a concept. Love it. Thanks for watching.